gotta clear that one.
Alright, you're gonna have to pry this open now. You're gonna have to pull this.
Right there, slide straight now.
So we're back at it again with the IS build. So once again, all the outside is finished, all the turbo, the hot side is all done. I got the feed line and the drain line, and I have the return going into the pan. I drilled a bung into it and I welded it on, but it's not, I don't know why it's not fucking holding the oil, so I just JB weld the rest of it. So I'm letting that shit dry. So today project, I'm doing the plumbing. This is actually a universal kit on eBay. It's an eBay universal kit. Come with a whole bunch of pieces. This is from the old setup. I'm not using that anymore. But it's 2.5 inches, and I went to AutoZone and I bought this coupler. It's this adapter for the MAF sensor, so it just sits right in between, so I can still have the MAF sensor reading. And then yeah, this is gonna, actually no, this is trash. I have another piece that goes from from there to the throttle body. Yeah. So now I just finished measuring and cutting all my pieces. Now I'm just making some bead now. This is a bead maker I bought off Amazon for like 40 bucks. So he's making the bead. Just all you do, I have to like hold this and then I have to hold the whole thing and then turn it to make the bead. And then I have to get some more couplers because the one that came with the kit's too short.